Hi everyone, welcome. We've been studying regular IR verbs in the present tense in Spanish in our last few lessons. In this lesson we are going to continue with IR verbs and a very important verb, the verb compartir. Compartir means to share. It's a regular IR verb, which means you have to know these regular IR verb endings. If you know them, then you can easily conjugate this verb. So let's go ahead and practice. If I want to say I share, I do share, or I am sharing in Spanish, remember we start with the root, which you find by removing the IR, and then you add the appropriate ending. Yo comparto. I share, I do share, I am sharing. You share, tú compartes. You share, usted comparte, he shares. Él comparte, she shares. Ella comparte, we share. Nosotros or nosotras compartimos. You share, vosotros compartís. You share, ustedes comparten. And finally, they share, ellos or ellas comparten. So here are the 6 forms of compartir in the present tense. Comparto, compartes, comparte, compartimos, compartís, comparten. Some things that we might share: food, la comida; an apartment, un apartamento. Remember, some native speakers use the word departamento to mean apartment. So let's put it all together. If I want to say I share food, I would say comparto la comida. I share an apartment, comparto un apartamento, or comparto un departamento. She shares the food, ella comparte la comida. She shares an apartment, ella comparte un apartamento, ella comparte un departamento. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.